Single leg Romanian deadlift or hip hinge with dumbbell. This exercise is a progression to the single leg Romanian deadlift with dowel. You may perform this exercise with 2 dumbbells in each hand or 1 dumbbell in the arm opposite to the grounded leg. As with the other forms of the hip hinge or Romanian deadlift, push that heel back and the hips as you angle the torso forwards. Keep the chin tucked and chest out and maintain alignment through the pelvis and shoulders as you lower down. Inhale with a deep diaphragmatic breath as you lower down, and exhale through pursed lips as you press your foot into the floor and raise yourself back up. The single leg Romanian deadlift with 1 dumbbell adds a rotational challenge to the exercise. Perform this exercise by holding the dumbbell in the hand opposite to the grounded leg. You may allow the other hand to rest down as the other one, or you may place it behind the back to ensure a neutral lower back throughout the exercise. Keep the chin tucked, chest out. Keep the pelvis and torso parallel to the ground throughout the movement.